and fishing with us almost every time I'm here. Oh, look at that. What's up, guy? How you doing today? Yeah, I agree. You looking forward to this rain too? I'm not. Fish on? Fish on. Wow. Beautiful. What is up, everybody? Another beautiful day here in New England. We are going fishing again. Give you a little update on the old man. He's doing all right. We're actually walking down the trail right where he fell, right around those two trees coming up here. Give you a little update. He's doing quite fine. He's actually looking forward to going fishing this weekend. I had a little bit of sense of urgency coming in here today. We are about to get a tropical storm here. Every other time I have come here fishing, had the opportunity to, I should say, come down here and fish before a hurricane, tropical storm that may be rolling through. I've got my name in the paper with pictures. I'll have to go dig through the album and find some of those for you guys, but actually, you know what? Comment below if you think that's something that we should do. Maybe go through the photo album one day. All right, so I'm moving so fast, I'm actually out of breath. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. I'll see you on the water. I'm just baiting up to get out here. Same setup as the other day. Live night crawler, a little split shot and a small float. Keep it off the bottom. And there's a really cool breeze coming off this water right now. This feels like a very good time to hook up. I apologize ahead of time for any wind you might hear. I'm doing my best to cut that out for you guys. Oh, by the way, we have new toys today. We have a new tripod set up on the water. Hopefully get some nice angles with that. Let's see what we can do, boys. I'm excited for this first cast. I can see it right now. That's good. It's going just about where we want it to. Gonna let it flow naturally right down in there. I got a 10-pound setup today, Rhino Indestructible. I don't know how long this rod is. 6.5 foot. And we're still in that riffraff down there. I think we could play it some. I really just wanted to take a cast up here and see what would happen. Ideally, I think we're gonna have to move downstream some. Then again, you never know, because there's a rise right next to me. Fish on. I don't know how big it is. Not very big. Just don't feel very big. Jeez. Hope that's not a salmon. All right. Oh, it's a rainbow. All right. All right. Oh, wait, never mind. Take that back. Oh, poor girl. That's how you know it's a salmon. They fight as soon as you get them in your hand. Okay. See that? She's young. It's gonna be kind of a tough release for her, but get you out there as far as I can, girl. You're all right. Oh. Fish on. I think I've snagged him. What is going on here? Please don't be a salmon right now. Dang. Another girl. Okay. On the bright side, I didn't hook this one in anywhere it's gonna hurt her. That's just a foul hook. I'm not allowed to keep that no matter what. I don't even need to pull you out. You're all right. Easy, easy, easy. I'm trying to help. How do you do that? Honestly. Are you okay if I let you go? Much better than your girlfriend was earlier, I'll tell you that. Yeah, that fish is all right. Oh, did you see that? Hey. What in the heck? Really? Dang. I am not reaching in your mouth, Mr. Pickerel. I'm so... Did you really? You better wake yourself up after that one. After all that, there you go. Dang. I thought that guy knocked himself out. Ooh, fish on. That's a little guy, all right. Oh, dang. Ooh, stop being so dizzy. Sorry, I don't mean to spin you around. There we go. Nice little brookie. Okay, don't hurt yourself, girl. Oh, don't worry, I got you. A little simple, quick release. Here you go, girl. Go get your big brother. Yeah, she's quite all right. Quite all right. I gotta walk down there and take one more before I get out of here. We made it. Imagine living right there, being a fisherman. That might have been a fish. Fish on? Fish on. Wow. Beautiful fish. Beautiful bow. This might have been what we had Monday. Keep it. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, boys. Okay, then. Yes. He spit it as soon as I got in the net. Beautiful rainbow. Was it me? How's that? I'd say about 14, 15. Yeah. Meal for two? Oh yeah. All right guys, I gotta wrap it up there. I haven't eaten anything all day. I skipped lunch to get to the water before the storm hit to bring you guys some good footage. Hopefully you saw something you liked today. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we got plenty of more good fishing coming your way. We got the old man coming back. He wants to create more fishermen, so we're gonna have dad lessons. Not sure what we're gonna call it yet, but if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna learn how to fish, if you wanna teach somebody how to fish, definitely stay tuned because we got plenty of stuff coming your way. So until next time guys, fish on, get out there. First Cast Media signing out.